Hello everyone, myself Adarvinda Tripathi and I am here to represent a practical in SOAPUI, that is the use of country ISO code operation to retrieve ISO codes for valid and invalid country names. Create automated test cases in SOAPUI that include property transfer, various response and validation and Jenkins CI integration. So you can download the SOAP UI from this link. I will give it in the description box. After installing, after downloading, then install it. And after installing, just go to the SOAP UI interface and click on File and click on New SOAP project. Give the project name Country Info Service Project and add the WSDL. Now you can see many operations that are present over here. So now we have to make a test case, test suite under which we have to make two test cases. Under this we have to make two test cases, one for valid and another for invalid test case. Valid country name and another is invalid country name. Now we have to add test step inside. So right click on the valid country name. We have to add step, then SOAP request. Here we have to write the name, that is valid country ISO code request. Okay, then we have to choose the country ISO code. Okay, then we have to check it is correct or not. If I will write here India, then it will show IN over there. Yeah, so it is correct as we get IN over here. So it is the correct one. Then for the invalid test case, we have to repeat the same step. We have to repeat the same step, that is SOAP request invalid country ISO code request. Invalid country ISO code request. Here also we have to click on the same country ISO code. Okay, then we can write anything here XYZ 123. It is giving us the result that no country found by that name. Then we have to add a transfer. We can write it transfer one. Next. Okay. So here in the source, we have to click on valid control IC code request. Then properties to response and path is XPath. That is okay. Then target is test case properties and property here also ISO, no, here ISO code. Okay, done. So Okay, it is correct. ISO code has been extracted to the property. Then we have to click on valid country name, then add steps, then a new SOAP request where we can name it full country info request. Full country info request. Okay. Then we have to select here full country information. Okay. Then in place of question mark, we can add dollar curly bracket hashtag test cases test case hashtag ISO code. Country not found in any database. Done. It will automatically push the ISO code from the property and send it. So we have to now add the assertion. So we have to click at the plus sign here. Response SLA that we have to give 1000. Okay. Then we have to click on the valid HTTP status code that is 200. Done. Then we have to check. Yeah, it is correct. Now we can run and check the result. Right click on the country ISO code suits, then click on that green triangle. Uh, it is successfully compiled. So So according to our project, we had imported the WSDL in the SOAP UI, created a test suite with two test cases, one with the valid country name, that is India, and one with the invalid country name. Use the property transfer, add these validation status code in SSN, content SSN, XPath, SSN, XQuery match, response SLA, and assertion. So this is our project, and we have successfully compiled it. So thank you everyone.